Picking a law school, I mean, there's so many things to consider. I have an MBA, so business was a big thing to me. I knew I wanted to be in corporate law. I just got a great feeling when I came here.
UCLA is the place to be, especially if you want to be on the West Coast and in LA, which is one of the major cities in the world.
The business law specialization was the reason I wanted to transfer to UCLA, and I'm really happy I did. I've taken great classes here.
The business lawyer of the 21st century has to know business. They can't simply know law, but they need to know the business that's applicable to law. We're teaching students how to understand the business world.
We have a few different tracks within the business law specialization. The one that I teach in is mergers and acquisitions. We also have a securities law track, we have a tax track, and we have a bankruptcy track. And we're adding tracks as we find that the business law environment and the hiring environment warrant them.
The UCLA School of Law is unique in its commitment to innovation. It was a pioneer in clinical legal education and was one of the very first schools to adopt a specialization in business law.
The Lowell Milken Institute for Business Law and Policy allowed us to make a really first-rate business law program even better. The objective from the beginning was to construct a business law curriculum specifically tailored to the needs of our students.
We're very excited about the program on in-house counsel. It's being sponsored by the Lowell Milken Institute. There will be wonderful opportunities for students to engage on what it's like to be in-house counsel in a corporate legal department at a corporation.
The Institute provides enrichment for our students through the many events that we sponsor. For instance, we had Brian Liu come. Brian is a graduate of the UCLA Law School, and he's also one of the co-founders of LegalZoom.com. And he spent a lunch and learn hour talking to our students about entrepreneurship and building a company. Brian's kind of entrepreneurial spirit is so important to the business world today that we're actually building a new curriculum around entrepreneurism and the law. And on top of that, we've also announced the LMI Sandler Prize for New Entrepreneurs. This prize will award $100,000 to a third-year law student with an especially promising idea for a new business venture. And that's an important message in our program. Not everyone has to go and become a lawyer in a large law firm. A UCLA law education gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility.
While I've been a student here at the law school, I actually had the incredible opportunity to start my own business. It is a community development corporation based in New Orleans to develop affordable housing across New Orleans. And after I graduate, I feel confident I'll be able to go out and actually facilitate the development of an affordable housing complex, which is actually quite a dream.
The combination of really strong doctrinal courses with the practical skills that you develop as a part of the business law curriculum, I think are a really nice complement to each other that help students really start their careers on the right path.
The professors are incredibly willing and really, I think, excited and eager to be mentors for their students and help guide them not only through the curriculum, but also through the career choices that come with going to law school.
I like the school just because, honestly, I like the people here. I've been able to connect with a lot of different people. There's no better school than UCLA, School of Law.
There's an amazing sense of community here at UCLA, and that's what makes the law school a special place. But even more than that, it's knowing that I'm getting a top-notch education from the best professors in the field, giving me the tools to do anything I want with my career, and that's why I chose UCLA in the first place.